Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error write fault error code 29 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error message with error code 29, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows execute the command chkdsk /r. Execute this command to check your disk error. Press enter and follow on screen instruction. If you want, you will be asked to choose yes or no. Choose yes and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The second workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Disk cleanup wizard will open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Choose C drive and click on OK. A new window will open. Here go to files to delete section and make the check against all these options: temporary files, recycle pen, delivery optimization files, etc. and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, restart your system and check whether your system error code 29 resolved or not. If not, go to the one more fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and here in command prompt Windows execute the command DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. Press enter on each entry and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and wait till 100% verification complete, and thereafter restart your system and check whether your system error code 29 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run, and here in run dialog box type msdt.exe id device diagnostic. This command will open hardware and devices troubleshoot page. Click on OK. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Click on apply repairs automatically. Make the check against this option and click on next. And follow on screen instruction to complete the hardware and devices troubleshoot. After that, your problem definitely be resolved.